And then you're starting to see why we wouldn't know, because all their wars since touching that stuff, since they found it, would be culturally based on emotion and on cultural change through music, or, you know, a media type, or through writing. So if there is stuff before then, or overseas, that was created during a non-war time, you probably, thousands of years ago, you probably would never find it. So what he did find, and what they used, was all through cultural change. That's why people are upset, because it changed us, right? But all their wars, that's ever since finding that stuff, was all based on cultural change, or music. All of it. But it doesn't mean that it was the right thing. See why Bernard and them and Karen and them are stuck on doing themes? Because all of their protests and demonstrations and their battles and war has been on cultural change, and that's maybe not what that stuff was ever meant for in the first place. So maybe when you guys got dusted the one time, that would probably, could be a relative. That would be, like I said, only 2 people in the world maybe that could understand, and they're almost dying, if not dead already. But in order to solve you guys this super massive problem of the earth, you would have to find like the creator of them, if that person ever existed, or is still alive at all. And I doubt it'd be Quinlan. He might be a connection, but it depends on how well they keep their records. Or, like I said, David, you would have to have been birthed in the Amazon jungles, or whatever, in the Andes, not in the pyramid. You would have to have been naturally born, and then evolved and learned from the, like, wielding a sword, like a katana sword. You would have to find that creator of it, which is most likely dead after the amount of battles and how violent that would have been. Because the one that they allude to that happened here was probably the most violent thing to ever exist, looking at how the people turned up after it.